Too small.
Put them on this instant!
They don't fit.
Just get in the car! Did anybody see you in that?
Probably. I've been here for over an hour.
Who?
I don't know.
You got a booger. Oh, come to Mama. Come on, baby. Come. Oh. Are you hungry? We can get whatever you want.
Mexican?
Nah, I had that for lunch.
Only in our darkest hours that we truly know God. For this is when he tests us. Take Abraham. When he was asked to commit the greatest sacrifice, to kill his only son Isaac, he followed God's.
Sorry. Don't let us interrupt anything. We'll just sit in the back. Sam. Jeanette, come on. I know, I have an idea. Why don't we have a welcome home Danny party? And I can put streamers up.
I don't think it's a good idea. I really
and I'll
don't
make my muffins. Come on, you can do it.
Hi, my name's Daniel Murphy.
Get the fuck off my property. Don't you ever look at my kid.
You don't have to worry about me anymore, I promise. Here, have a muffin, please.
Bullshit!
Look. Hey. He's too old for me, okay? It's not a problem anymore.
Leave him alone! Get off!
Oh! God. You bitch! On my knee! Ow!
I'm so sorry.
Get.
Sorry.
Y'all get the fuck out of here.
Now that I have all of your attention, just want to say, my name is Daniel Murphy, and I'm a registered sex offender.
Does anyone want a muffin?
Mom, this looks amazing. You're an angel. What do we have here? Thank you.
So how'd you sleep last night?
I slept like a baby.
I feel like things are getting back to normal.
It is time.